Hello students, welcome back to the BCom First Sem Basic English course. I am Dr. Vidya Patil, serving as Assistant Professor of English at Government First Grade Women's College, Bidar. In today's video, we will be discussing about the first lesson for your syllabus, which is Save the Girl Child. In spite of all the advancements and developments which have taken place in our country, we still find that there is a lot of discrimination and violence which takes place against women and girls. In this lesson, we will be studying about these different kinds of violence which takes place against girls and what we can do to prevent them. So come on students, let us now try to understand the first lesson, Save the Girl Child. So students, the title of your lesson is Save the Girl Child. This is actually a social initiative which has been begun to fight against the practice of female feticide in India. This initiative aims at protecting, safeguarding, supporting, and educating the girl child. You must all have heard about Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme. Beti Bachao means save the girl child, and Beti Padhao means educate the girl child. The government of India has launched this Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme on 22nd January 2015 in Haryana. This scheme mainly aims at generating awareness about the various welfare services which are provided for girls. It also aims to improve the efficiency in delivery of these welfare services to women and girls. So, the government is focusing a lot on trying to save the girl child on one hand and educating the girl child on the other hand. Generally, when we look around, we find that in the poor households, parents often choose to send the male children to school when compared to the female children. Female children are generally loaded with back-breaking household chores. They have to take up the responsibilities of feeding the younger kids, taking care of them, washing the utensils, doing all the household work. Female feticide is both a national problem as well as a social evil. The term female feticide means killing the girl child in the mother's womb. So, this has become an act which takes place very commonly among the people because of their love for having a male child. Female feticide is a major topic of concern for our society. There are many reasons for female feticide taking place in developing countries. Some people feel that the birth of a girl child will lower their status in the society. There is an extreme desire among some people to have a male child, which makes them take up this evil act of female feticide. There are others who feel that a girl child will cause them more economic hardships, and that is why they prefer to stop the birth of the female child. In addition to all this, we also have the social evil of dowry system, which further worsens the situation of a girl. Dowry system, as you all know, refers to the custom of paying money and other valuables to the groom's family at the time of marriage of the daughter. It is viewed as a huge burden by the parents of a girl child. As a result of all these problems which girls are facing, it becomes all the more necessary and crucial to save the female child. Women need to be empowered. Girls should be made to realize that they are as important as boys in the society. If a girl child is given the right opportunity, she can also provide economic support to her family and help them to come out of the poverty. Girls deserve to have true freedom and equality in their lives. Education raises the consciousness of a society. Therefore, it is very necessary that girls are educated in order to save them and in order to empower them. As we see or read in our newspapers and see here in the television news daily about how girl child is not only unsafe inside the mother's womb but also after her birth. She has to face various hardships because of this gender inequality and discrimination. So, it is very necessary that we should save the girl child, and for this, her education is very important. Girls should be provided a safe and comfortable environment at school. They should get equal access to the educational resources of the school. There should be separate sanitary facilities for girl children at schools because it is generally observed that as soon as girls achieve their menarche, they usually stop going to schools. There is a need for a shift in the mental attitude so that the society learns to treat both boys and girls equally. The physical abuse and harassment of a girl child should be dealt with very strictly. There should be a lot of emphasis on imparting moral education so that we can put an end to all these evil systems which are prevalent in our society. Doctors and medical professionals should be encouraged to behave without a gender bias and should avoid trying to determine the sex of the child. In reported cases where doctors do it, they should be punished so that others would refrain from continuing with such activities. So, students, you must now have realized the various problems which the girl child has to face before her birth and after her birth also. So, I hope that all of you will get together and try to save the girl child and then help her to get education and empower herself. I hope you like this video. Thank you.